Hello, my name is Šimon Kočí. I'm from Data. We are a data company based in Czech Republic. We have 7 years. We are actually 8 years. We have just celebrated 8 years on the market. But we are, even though we are from Czech Republic, we are operating almost around the world. So we are covering the whole Europe. And recently we have launched Dubai cooperation in United Arab Emirates with Dubai-based FinTech YAP. Next year we are launching USA with 2 of our clients. So we are working with the smallest fintechs to the biggest banks like UniCredit, Raiffeisen Bank, and Challenger Bank, Bunk. That is a Revolut style of a bank with the travel card, and also Erste Group, that was one of the major investors of our last investor. We have closed a round, and let's now talk about the problems that we solve. There are 2 main use cases how the banks are using our data. One is user experience. So now imagine that you go and spend your money every day, basically for lunch, for groceries and stuff like that. And at the end of the month, you have a look at your statement. What happens is that sometimes there are, kind of names. There's this long string of name, like let's say IKEA, XYZ, ZTP 135. This is not something that customer wants to know. Moreover, there is sometimes the name is not even the same as the merchant's name where you have when you were shopping. There is, for example, mother company that is owning a Starbucks and McDonald's and stuff like that. Branches of those companies, and this is the thing that we are solving, right? We show you the accurate name. We enrich the transaction with accurate name of the merchant, with the logo of the merchant, and with the physical store, with the GPS of the physical store. So now, if you are looking to payment history, you can see the names, logos. If you click in the detail of the transaction, you can see the map where you made the transaction. Then another great feature for customers is budgeting. So now you can aggregate the transactions into the categories and show them the pie chart, how much you spend in which category on traveling, food, rent, electricity, and stuff like that. And you can create budgets. So I want to set a limit of 150 euros on groceries. So this really helps with managing the finance to the customers and also forecasting them, because now we are doing the subscription detection like Netflix, Spotify, Zoom. So we are able to forecast how much money the customer will spend next month, because you can aggregate the value of subscriptions and the recurring payments like rent, electricity, etc. So that was for customers. And now what is it for what bank benefits, right? How bank benefits is that now you've got GPS of the customers, and now you've got the categorization, detailed categorization. I'm talking about we've got 22 categories and 400 plus tags. So now what you can do is analyze the behavior of the customers. So if I want to lend them money, you will go through my payment history and see that I'm spending money on luxury brands, in restaurants, going to the cinema, spending a lot on electricity, on electric stuff, basically computers and phones and something like that. And you will say, Simon, okay, we will lend you money, but only under these circumstances. You can use GPS to track, okay, this person is probably working in a city center, living in suburbs. You can include that into your risk scoring models. Then you know that I am a sports guy. I play tennis, because we are able to distinguish, okay, this is a sport, but this is also tennis, right? So you will provide me personalized cashbacks and discounts. Hey Simon, here is a 5% cashback on this amazing racket. Or here is the sports center that you can play tennis in, and you will get 5% discount. I will buy a plane ticket, and you can offer me a travel insurance and stuff like that. So ultimately, these are 2 main challenges that our clients are using our data to solve those challenges. And we have just closed, as I mentioned, a round, and we are open to discuss new opportunities. If you have more questions, get in touch, and have a good day.